Okay. So my very first question would be, what was the first project that you did in robotics?
Mhm. So first project, like proper robotics project, would be actually using Lego Mindstorms on university. So as part
Okay.
of the university class, we did play quite a bit with Lego Mindstorms, doing some mechanical and sort of programmatic tasks. So this would be like first proper robotics project that I did. Um, yeah, and also I started in studying in 2009. So I think it was before the time of Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and if they were there, they were not so popular and definitely not accessible. So since then,
Okay.
quite a bit changed, I think, for people.
Okay, so you started building robots by using Legos, which was a part of your curriculum, and after that you have now you have an established career in robotics, and you are doing freelancing in a consultancy in this area. So what was it about that activity or that assignment that inspired you, or was it that you did a lot of other different projects later that led you to decide that okay, this is the field that I want to go in?
Mhm. I think it was like the biggest inspiration for me was around 2011. You've seen these videos of drones flying through hops. So I think
Okay.
it was something that really inspired me, especially that like long time before I even started thinking about robotics, I was considered. I thought that I would love to fly fighter jets, and it was something that you could actually. It would be a good replacement, minus all the military stuff and doing bad stuff, basically.
Okay.
So that's something that started motivating me a lot, and since then, since that time, I was really focused on drones most of my studies. So it was probably 3 years of focusing quite a lot on drones at that time when I started.
Okay, so basically you wanted to build fighter jets, fighter drones, and do military stuff, but at the same time, their aspect that it could be, it would not be an ethical thing to do. This is what
Yeah.
made you decide that okay, I would go on to build drones, but I don't necessarily have to go in the fighter jets area. But your main inspiration was to build fighter jets.
I thought it would be cool thing to do, like because of the speed and agility, and technically that those things would be super challenging. But I was never interested in doing things that are meant to do harm to people.
Yeah.
And But I saw these really fast flying drones and thought that wow, okay, this is basically fighter jets that are available to everyone, and it's fast, it's agile, and it also, as I later learned, they can be used for good. So yeah, all the good stuff from fighter jets probably.